guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jillian. Today I'm doing a challenge. Today I'm doing a challenge with Alexa. And I was practicing it and we were twinning up. I said this one, she said that one. I said the other one and she said that one. So we're twinning up. So she's basically going to be fixing my slime. This slime doesn't need a lot of fixing. Look. Why is the sun in the way? Alright, I'm going to turn it on, guys. I'm going to sit. You guys see that? It pops up wherever I'm not. Get away. Get down, girl. Go ahead. Get down. Alright, so this slime, just by it, it's so good. It's a dark color. It looks so light, but it really isn't. I'm not hoping for water just because look, it doesn't even fit in here. So yeah, round one, hold on, let me turn this a little off. Oh, that's better. And I'll turn my light on instead. Sorry it's so dark. There we go. Now I'm gonna open my door. So round one, we have hand sanitizer, we have Daydream, we have French Lavender, Stinks, and we have 8,000 Oceans. Shout out to Bath and Body Works, y'all guys. I got these from you, and I didn't even know I had this one. It smells so good. So she can pick one of these. First, round one, we're just gonna have hand sanitizer. So that's a good thing. Hey Alexa, pick a number 1 through 3.
Here's a number between 1 and 3. It's 3.
Oh, I thought she was gonna pick 2. But she picked 8,000 wishes. Smells good. I'm adding some in. That should be enough. And guess what, guys? We're gonna mix it at the end. Round 2 is hand sanitizer or this hard one. Or Orbeez. My Orbeez have water. I wanted them to grow a little more. They're actually so big, but they look small. So yeah. Here, if I open this, I don't want the water to come out. So yeah. But they look tiny at the bottom. We have tiny ones and big ones. So let's see what she's gonna pick. If she picks 2, which is hand sanitizers, then I'm gonna be blindfolded and pick one. If she picks 1, then I just get Orbeez. And I get to pick a color. So yeah. Hey Alexa, pick a number 1 through.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
So I can't say 1 through 2, because then she'll pick a number higher than it. So instead, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 through 4. So she can pick me a hand sanitizer. Hey Alexa. Hey Alexa. Hey Alexa. Hey Alexa. Pick a number 1 through 4.
A randomly chosen number is 1.
Oh, she picked Orbeez. Okay. I thought she was going to pick another hand sanitizer. I did not really want Orbeez. I'm going to show you how big they are. Yeah, that's what I meant. They are some big ones. Since I have a purple slime, I'm going to pick purple. Orbeez. I just want purple. Purple and pink is the only ones. I want some blue. I don't want my favorite type of blue. Why is it so hard picking them? I don't know what colors I want. I don't want clear ones, so I'm picking that. That's the only red I'm gonna have. That's enough Orbeez. So hand sanitizer will be in every single round. Round 3. water in this one. So yeah, I'm not gonna add another ingredient, but I'm excited to add this one because I know I will really want this one. Hey Alexa, pick a number 1 through 4.
Here's a number between 1 and 4. It's 1.
You know what she picked? She picked water. She picked water. My slime is already big. I said I don't want water. Oh my goodness. Let's go get some water. I'm going to leave you guys there real quick. Alright guys, she didn't say how much I have to add. So I'm going to add that much. That was only like 2 drops, but alright. So I'm going to take water out for this round, but it's going to come back. Round 4, I think. Hey Alexa, say round 4.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
She can't say round 4? Okay. My next one, I'm excited for it. So it's either a hand sanitizer or nothing, which is the perfume bottle, because it ran out because I used it for my Orbeez so they can stay big. But that's okay, I have another one anyways. Hey Alexa, pick a number 1 through 4.
A randomly chosen number is 1.
She picked Daydreaming hand sanitizer. Okay, I have 2 hand sanitizer in here. It's coming out. I like this one anyway, so. My next one, I'm adding hand sanitizers, Daydream, French, and 8,000 Wishes, water, soap water, or nothing, which I want this one to be right there so I can pick nothing. So yeah, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 through 5. Hey Alexa, pick a number 1 through 5. Hey Alexa, look, I'm gonna show you her. She just, let me unplug her and get her ready again. I'm plugging her back in, so she should be brand new. Hey Alexa, pick a number 1 through 5. No answer. Hold on. Why are you taking forever, Alexa? Why? Hey Alexa. Hey Alexa. Hey Alexa. Pick a number 1 through 5. If she doesn't answer, I might just have to be blindfolded, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna unplug her, and yeah, I think that's gonna work. Hey Alexa. Hey Alexa. Pick a number 1 through 5. How long have I been here? Hey Alexa. Alexa, listen. Alright, so guys, Alexa won't talk to me. She's seriously just standing there. So I guess I'm gonna have to be blindfolded and pick one. So yeah, I'm gonna close my eyes. And it's not see-through. Actually, I don't want to because I'm going to know this is the bottle that I want. Sorry, Alexa. Hey, Alexa. Pick a number 1 through 5.
Here's a number between 1 and 5. It's 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. I got 1,000 wishes. Look, I'm gonna show you for proof. Which number 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. By accident, that was number 5. Yeah. She worked. I just had to wait a little bit. I think it's round 5. Round 5. We go to round 10. So round 5. So round 5 is a cool one. I'm gonna have these, but where is it? I'm gonna have soap, which is in my bathroom. So yeah. So it's, hey Alexa, pick a number 1 through 6.
A randomly chosen number is 4.
1, 2, 3. Oh, I didn't mix them. Let me mix them. Rusty. I'm sorry. Hey Alexa, pick a number 1 through 6.
A randomly chosen number is 2.
She picked it again. Seriously. The same thing. That was number 1. That was number 2. 1,000 wishes again. Why does she keep wanting hand sanitizer for my slime? I guess she wants me to clean my hands. I have like 3 hand sanitizers of the same thing on. Round 6, which is still soap. She haven't picked anything different, so yeah. Hey Alexa, pick a number 1 through 6.
Here's a number between 1 and 6. It's 3.
Oh, she picked nothing. Guys, look. I'm going to show y'all. 1, 2, 3. So she picked nothing. This is going to be, I get to pick. So I get to pick, I guess. And I'm going to pick soap, I think, or hand sanitizer. I'm going to pick soap. So, wait, should I not? Well, soap makes it fluffy, basically. But hand sanitizer makes it smell. I have like 5 hand sanitizer. I want to just show you guys. It's so glittery because the hand sanitizer. Look, you see some Orbeez, you see some hand sanitizer. I think the water soaks through with it. So I'm going to put water in instead because I don't see any. Hey Siri. Oh, round 8. Round 7, yeah. Good job, Pam. You're right. Hey Alexa, pick a number 1 through 4.
Here is a number, a septillion.
That's a number, a septillion? She is speaking French. Hey Alexa, pick a number 1 through 4.
A randomly chosen number is 4.
So she picked 4, which was my choice. I was mixing them up. I'll show you guys. Look, that's number 1 again. That's number 2, 3, and then 4. So I get to pick only one of these. I'll pick this one, even though it stinks. Because I have too much glitter in here. Round 8. Round 8, I have something crazy. The sticky activator. That was one of the surprises. Hey Alexa, pick a number 1 through 5.
Here's a number between 1 and 5. It's 2.
She was seriously so close. Ugh. Y'all guys can't see it because this, I'll show you guys though. 1 and then 2. She keeps picking hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. Round 9, which will be the same things with one more. Hey Alexa, pick a number 1 through 6.
A randomly chosen number is 2.
Oh, I didn't mix them. That doesn't count. Hey Alexa, pick a number 1 through 6.
A randomly chosen number is 6.
I'm gonna count this for you, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello. 5, 6. Well, she didn't tell me how much I'm gonna put, but I'm gonna put a lot for y'all. Alright, here's some. And let's put some. There we go. Round 10. Which is going to be fun. Hey Alexa, pick a number 1 through 6.
A randomly chosen number is 5.
Oh, she picked Daydreaming Hand Sizer. Okay. Now you know what you guys have been waiting for is me to mix. I'm going to mix with my hands, so yeah. Let me put those away. I just need to make sure you guys... Why is it so watery? Oh, it is. Oops, sorry. Can you guys see it? Alright, look how watery it is. Like, yeah. Alright, now let's mix it in. Alright, it feels weird. The Orbeez, I don't feel. But like the... What did I add in? I did not add in this much water though. So, something, the Orbeez probably melts, I guess? Or what? I might go to my desk. Ugh. I'm gonna keep mixing them. Yeah, it's forming. That's one thing I know. You guys see that? Let's go to my science desk. I'm gonna bring my slime first and then y'all guys. Y'all guys might want to see my face expression. So yeah. But look at this. I don't know what happened. It's sticky, like I want activator. It's the same, just like, sorry. No. I am so sorry guys, just wait. I had a little problem there because my slime was falling and then y'all guys were falling and I had to pick y'all guys up and then I had to pick my board up. I just don't like my board because it's always in the way. Look, it's so pretty. I just need to keep mixing it and keep forming it. Look, it's so pretty. I'm going to show you how the Orbeez look when it comes out. You see, you saw that purple one. It was at the top, if you're wondering. Like, I didn't see a purple Orbeez. And look, you see that blue one. And it makes really good bubbles. I don't know why it was watering when I was mixing it. I was like, what? What? I didn't add that much water. Or I was like, yo, did the Orbeez melt or something? I was like concerned and worried about my slime. But, Alexa? Hey Alexa! Hey Alexa! Hey Alexa! Hey Alexa! Alright, Alexa is not being nice today. Look, she's ignoring me. Hey Alexa! Hey Siri. Hey Alexa. You see, like, seriously, she's not working. I'll fix her later, but that's the pretty one I love. I crumbled it up so it looks even prettier. I'm gonna make a swirl and you'll see the Orbeez more. So yeah. You guys won't get to see my face. Oh yeah, I saw 2. I saw 3. And that was a bad swirl, but I saw Orbeez. That was pretty cool. This is how I pick up Orbeez. I do that and then keep going. So if you have slime that melted and you want to keep it, you just have to go like this. You need to push it back. Oh no, Orby fell. Ooh, makes good bubbles. I'm just making sure the slime is okay. And it pokes good. You see lots of pretty and beautiful Orbeez. So yeah, I guess it's okay. I guess. Ooh. I want you guys to see the bubbles I'm making. I'm trying to get a good view of the bubbles. Back it up. Alright, so I'm making some big bubbles. This is the weirdest face thing I saw of me. Because, like, it's different. It's usually straight. Hey, Alexa. Hi, Alexa. Oh. Hey, Alexa. Hey, Alexa. Good job. Alexa wasn't working because she wasn't plugged in. Hey, Alexa. Hey, Alexa. Good job. Alright, she's annoying me, but she's still thinking. So yeah, you ready? That was just a warm-up. Just a warm-up. Oh, Orby came out. That looks like water. But okay. So I'm getting my slime ready. Come on, slime. Do it for the fans. Do it for the fans. Or you won't be my popular slime anymore. And you won't be on any videos. And you know who will be the popular one? Your sister. I said it. So she has a sister. She's right behind y'all. Ooh, y'all guys saw that. The bubble popped easily though. Let's try again. Let's try to say, hey Alexa, good job again. Hey Alexa, good job.
Thanks. I'm glad I could help.
You see, she was happy. You guys saw that. Hey Alexa, can you put on music?
KK Radio from Pandora.
Hey Alexa. Hey Alexa. Hey Alexa. I had to unplug her. She would not stop singing. She must love that song, but guess what? I don't even know that song, number one. And number two, it doesn't sound good. I don't like that. No. I am just taking all the slime off me to make a good bubble. And I'm crushing all the Orbeez when they come. So yeah. I'm trying to make a big bubble. Hey you, don't make me get your sister up right now. Because I'm going to do her later. She's going to be new. Oh good, she's ugly anyways. Excuse me. Nacho. I mean not Nacho. Cheese has a sister too. And you know who it is. Fine. I'll be good. Don't talk to me like that. Let's make one more bubble and try. 3, 2, 1. Alright, I think I'm going to need a master slime. I'm going to have to call him out. I don't know. 3, 2, 1. Master, come. That is amazing. Don't blow it. Oh, man. Just try. One more bubble for y'all. I need. That one wasn't as bad, but it popped so fast that you guys couldn't see it. That bubble went on y'all guys. Y'all guys had to see that one. If you didn't, replay it. I wish I could do slow mode, but I don't know how. I'm not a good editor, but I edit my videos sometimes. Trying to get all these slime out. Number 1.